Togotigana nayo ni gori tukoria rero ensengima ya chengera litukorio bochenu bwa basibati oserio limanyekanite na World Menstrual Day awase aborokiwa korwase University ya Technical University of Mombasa litukoria rero baba konyora obokonyi bwebitamba byo bochenu korwase omurai bwa basae ase county yo omusibati Fatma Hassan oyoboigo ore omokonyi bw'omurai bwa borokiwa ase eskure yo morikeito Eric Bosire niga gutumanya mange
Lero kireri tukolio mwana moiseke korra erangi a sensengi magose World Menstrual Day niga bana banyaruka korwase county ya Mombasa banyareko babakonyorobo konyi korwase abasamaria baya abwase baganiria serikali kolirenda na kolinyora litukeli gana kuba obokonyi ekero liekire
May, I think it's the mark in the calendar, and we all know it is the Menstrual Hygiene Day. The Menstrual Hygiene Day, so here we are with our girls. That's why yesterday we said it's a girl thing. So tumepeana pads to our ladies TUM. So like the day it has been successful, I guess, through the TUM. Tumeanza from our offices, the TUM's offices, tumeenda all around, tumeenda hostel, we went to the G squares. And this was our final destination. Tumekuja hapa Marine, and this is where we started by launching our event. So I will not talk much. So kindly I will just give to my team members because they have played the big role. Because personally, yote singefanya peke yangu. So I think the credit should go to them. So guys, thank you.
Seri tukoria rero neri tukoria yoko celebrate the menstruation. Yeah, basically that is the koba muti nyoga tano 28th. Igege sinde ne county ya Mombasa. Sinde na go kiri komena ne ndugu ne ga Dr. Eric ore as a journalist student. Rero itwa bwate initiative yogo gift omoiseke pad unoroche iga no bwate pad iga pad ye twa wera togo distribute sabana ibe institution ye twa baire chipad bocha na kubasemi obuya bochenu wedi tuko buneriria rero ebintu binge mbere bigocha bi happen in that okonyora abaiseke mostly akereba kurwase ti family chitari kwenyara banyora ba umwisika konyora akuengage ese bintu bitabwenereti osengenja moiborie idatari konyara komugorera epad ose batumeka ebintu bire hygienic ko cover it kiri ko cover sekerenga kiyabo ikiri yoko yokorora chirangeji wono itogwa appeal as a government yito enyorege ko take initiative very positively ekonyo mwana moiseke nera kine arokanese family asome gokonyo akonyo gosoma ikiagera abesike bange batigire skuru esengenje bintu ibi.
Eric Bosire, GETEMBE TV, korwase county ya Mombasa.